welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to download Anaconda. Within Anaconda, that's why we are going to get the Jupyter notebook, because our tutorials will reach as far as whereby we are going to I'm going to teach you how to start doing some data analysis using Python in Jupyter notebook. So it's very important now. That's when we can start installing Jupyter notebook in our system. So you can just go straight and type Anaconda download. There it comes. Then you can come here, just click here. When you scroll down, they will show you Anaconda 2019.10 for Windows installer. So you can start downloading Anaconda here, because we need Python 3.7. so you can also go for 2.7, but preferably I will advise you to download 3.7 version. So you just click download. If you look here, it's downloading. The size of your file is 462 megabytes. That is for 64 bit. Then 32 bit, it's 410. So you are waiting for it. Will depend on the speed of your internet. So if your internet is a bit slower, so it's gonna take some times, but my speed, it seems to be a bit good. Now it's at 242 megabytes per second. So let's just wait for it to download. It's almost there. That's 3, 8, 9, 4, 12, 17, 30, 4, 7, 2, completed. Now it's completed. Let's wait for it to finalize. Yeah, then we can decide to go straight to the folder where we have stored our Anaconda. Here it is. So it's Anaconda 3. This is for 64 bit and 32 bit. So now you can just right click, run this executable file. So I will not finish the installation because I already have Anaconda installed in my system. So I'm just showing you how you can install Anaconda into your system. Just click next. You have to read the license. Yeah, then agree. So as of now, just because you're going to use just only your system, or you have some restriction, or you want to let everyone to use Anaconda in your system, you can just choose either just me or all users. So you just choose any. Let me just go straight with all users. Then next, it depends where you want to install. So it means the required space to install Anaconda in your system, it needs 2.9 gigabytes. So if you see on my system, I have 25.4 GB left space, so it means I have enough space. So I can just continue, then install. So next time I will show you how to add some system path variables, but as of now, just continue. You can just click or just leave it. It's okay. Then you continue up until you finish. So because I already installed the Anaconda in my system, so I will not proceed. I will just cancel. So for you, what you have to do, you need to proceed until you finish. So from there, you want to check whether you have installed Anaconda in your system. Definitely, you can just come here and start typing Anaconda. So you will see this icon. This is Anaconda. You can just click on this one, and then you wait for it to open. These steps are very easy to perform. Just wait for it. It's still coming. It might take some times before it opens, but no need to worry. It's coming. You just need, when you see this green circle, it means your Anaconda is opening. They will keep on bringing up some command prompt interface, so you don't have to worry when you see such things. So just needs to be patient and wait for it to install. Nice one. So here we are. So you can just click OK. Don't show me again, I don't want this. So like I told you that we are going to use the Jupyter Notebook. So it depends on what you want to do. If you want to use RStudio, you can just come here. But if you want to use Jupyter Notebook, you will use Jupyter Notebook. But today, you have to understand we are going to use Jupyter Notebook. So we just come here, launch Jupyter Notebook. I will also show you the shortest way of going direct to the Jupyter Notebook and start running it directly without coming to the Anaconda. So just wait, you see it's still running. So we are waiting for it to open. Hey, why? This should cancel this. I was in the morning, I was still writing my program using Django framework, so that's why you see those notepads popping up on my screen. So I was not expecting them to pop up at this time, because this is an important time for us to learn more on how we can use Jupyter Notebook or run our programs in Python. So I already showed you that you can run your program directly on the terminal, the command prompt. But the main challenge on the command prompt, maybe you have made an error, so you cannot roll back. Let me say you want to write the for loop program for oh sorry, I have to run Python. There it comes. That is the for loop. That means for A in B. Okay, for A in B. Then B. You see, so there is a problem, and indentation error, that's the one that we are getting. So if you want to go back again, so you have to rewrite the program again from the start. So it's not a friendly environment to start writing your own programs. But if you are writing simple programs, then it's easy for you to use that one. Like I was showing you that after opening your Anaconda, you just come here, you launch, then it will redirect you to the browser. It will depend on what is your default browser. Some it will direct them to Opera, so just Explorer or Google Chrome. So it depends which browser you are using. So I will start my project inside the document. So you can just simply go straight to the documents, open the new folder here. I'm just trying the simplest way that you can easily understand. So let me say Python tutorial. Python tutorial. This is where we are going to start writing our first program. So you just go straight inside the folder. That's it. So we come here, we come to the documents. So let's see why our tutorial, Python tutorial, inside the documents, Python tutorials. Open here. You can come here. So you can open the new folder here directly, or you do it the same way that like I did to you. Just go to maybe inside the folder that you want to open you put your files in, your program in, then you create the new folder in there, then you save it in there. So now we are going to use Python 3. So you just come here, just click Python 3. So it will open the new file. So on this new file, this is whereby we are going to write our own first program, our own first Python program. So isn't that easy? That's easy.